You are watching Synchronicity Finance and Crypto News. My name is Ian, and these are some of the top news of recent days. With Ethereum merge event just around the corner, set to happen sometime between September 13th and 16th, the miners find themselves in an unpleasant predicament. With the consensus protocol of the network shifting from proof of work to proof of stake, the hardware that powers Ethereum's block validation right now will become useless for the 2.0 version of the protocol. Those blockchain-agnostic miners who have utilized mostly their GPUs for mining Ethereum, which is about 90%, can still switch to other proof-of-work protocols such as Ethereum Classic or Raven Coin. The other 10% of miners who are using ASIC hardware, which was specifically designed to be optimal for Ethereum's validation algorithm, will only be able to switch to protocols that use a similar algorithm, which ultimately leaves them with Ethereum Classic as their only choice. Ethereum Classic overall has a slightly modified version of hashing algorithm and is most profitable out of all other alternatives. Yet still, the Classic fork has only netted miners a yearly return of $318 million compared to primary version of the protocol $18.4 billion. And the key point to consider is that the more hash rate the network has, the more competition there is for blocks, which means that miners earn fewer rewards per unit of hash rate, which in turn means that Ethereum Classic could not support even a fraction of Ethereum's miners without diminishing mining returns to a miserable level of profitability. As it stands, Ethereum Classic would need to scale its DeFi ecosystem and user base 5,000% for miners to receive the same rewards they did so far. So, it might be reasonable to assume that Ethereum's hash rate will spread out across other proof-of-work blockchain alternatives, but even in that case, miners cannot hope to earn the same revenues. There is also another opportunity miners can choose to pursue, and that is the announced fork of the protocol titled Ethereum Proof of Work, thought up by the group of Chinese miners that sets to preserve the principles of the about-to-become obsolete Ethereum 1.0 protocol, but we'll dive deeper into that topic in another video. You've been watching Synchronicity Finance and Crypto News. Consider liking the video if you found it informative and subscribe to stay updated on the latest news from the world of crypto and finance.